What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a notebook using web search. So once you're on NotebookLM, guys, you can go ahead and create a new notebook on the upper right. And so from here, you can use the web search. And let's say I would like to know how to create a YouTube channel, right? Right? And you type that and you just hit enter. This is going to now do a search on the web and it's going to create a new notebook for you with all the details here. As you can see, it's researching websites to find all the details. And then from there, we will be able to find more information. Here you can see right here that it's done a quick, fast search. Here you can find videos. It basically shows you some videos right here. And there are more sources that you can click on. So it finds loads of videos that you could find, right? And so you can now import and these are going to be imported right into your, let's say, notebook. Here you can find some description from 10 sources, and here on the left side you can find videos and, let's say, articles showing about how you can actually start a notebook, start a YouTube channel. So if you want video, you can click on that and it will basically give you some videos right here and go through different sections of that video. You can go ahead and you can even see more content. Here you can find some information right here, and you can click on more sources. You can look at article, which is basically pulls the source right here, and you can go through and you can read those different articles showing up right here. You may be wondering, okay, if I would like to expand this, you can click this here to expand, open it, and it's going to take you right into that web page where you can actually view it. So even though the left side is very condensed, you can open the source or you can just adjust it so that it looks better for the eye and you can view those sources. So guys, this is how you can actually create a notebook from the web by using the web search in NotebookLM.